Hey everyone, this is your overview for day 12, and today we're going to jump a little bit further into the cardiovascular system by looking at the actual heart and the structure and how it's going to be pumping blood. So I have two things in here for you. My recommendation to you is if you know how to split screen on your iPad, or if you have like two screens, like you have a laptop and your iPad, and you can open these things simultaneously. Because this right here, the Cardiovascular Interactive Investigation, it's a link. I'll show you the page here. It's going to open this up right here. So this is an actual interactive website. You'll click continue from the introduction, and you'll go through this interaction while you have this open. So the cardiovascular system questions, it's almost like directions and questions of what you need to look for, and there's about a question per slide. So you want to make sure you read in this first, and it'll say like click next or click this, and then it'll ask a question, and then you can look on the website and you can see what it is. There are controls on here, like if you hit continue, there are controls up the top here where it says like start over, go back to the introduction, and then you'll see that there are previous and next buttons. So you can always, toggle between anything that you need. There are 2 tries for these questions here. So if you go through the first time, you get a couple wrong, you miss one accidentally, that's fine. Go back and do the second try, and I'll take the better of the 2 scores. Have a good one.